Hi, welcome back. I'm Michael from Orthopro. Let's discuss another option that people have when dealing with foot drop. If you watched our other videos about foot drop, here's another option. It's similar to the blue rocker, but this is called the Thrive F3. It also has a front shell to it. It's also padded on the inside to protect your shin. And it has similar properties to the blue rocker in that it will help support knee weakness and help pick your foot up. One of the neat features of this particular brace is the magnetic closure. All you have to do to get out of it is pull the tab and you're free. To close it back up, it just uses the magnet to close it. As with the blue rocker, the Thrive just fits inside the shoe, and it can be left inside the shoe. You just open up your straps and then step inside the shoe and the brace, and the closure is done up, in this case, with the magnets. And off you go. We hope you found this information useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch other videos regarding this topic. If you or a loved one are dealing with foot drop, please call and schedule a free consultation or visit our website.